Intro voiceover. Today, we're talking about Agile project management, a modern and flexible approach to delivering projects that prioritizes collaboration, flexibility and results. Section 1. What is Agile project management? Voiceover. Agile project management is a method that is based on iterative and incremental development. Section 2. The Agile Manifesto voiceover. The Agile Manifesto, created in 2001, outlines the core values and principles behind Agile project management. These include individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. Section 3. Key characteristics of Agile project management voiceover. Agile project management is characterized by iterative development cycles, where each iteration adds value to the project, flexibility to change and adapt to new information, and requirements, continuous delivery of working software, a focus on the customer and delivering the highest value features first, regular communication and collaboration among all stakeholders, including the customer. Section 4. Benefits of Agile project management voiceover. The benefits of using Agile project management are many, including faster time to market for your project, increased collaboration and alignment among teams, better alignment with customer needs and expectations, improved project visibility and predictability, higher quality of deliverables. Outro voiceover. Agile project management is a modern and flexible approach to delivering projects that helps teams to respond to change and deliver results quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a project manager or part of a development team, understanding Agile principles and practices can help you to improve your project outcomes and deliver value to your customers.